Hey there, I'm Berto. If you've ever felt confused about money, overwhelmed by debt, or just want to learn how to manage it better, you just found your new favorite forest. This is Chief Bear. He always seems to offer quick fixes, but watch out for the fine print. And this is Wise Investor Bear. He taught me that real wealth isn't about running fast, it's about planting seeds and letting time do its magic. You'll also meet Benny, my best friend who's on the same journey as me, and the forest merchants who test our money habits every single day. And the best part? We're all learning together. Here, everything has a meaning. Raspberries? That's the money you earn from your daily work. It runs out if you stop working. Golden apples? Those are your assets, things that pay you even while you sleep. Honey? Sweet, steady, passive income. Yes, please. And these chains? They represent debt. Ignore them and they tighten, but understand them and you can break free for good. On this channel, we break down topics that sound complicated but are actually simple. Inflation, simple versus compound interest, how to invest without being an expert, how to escape debt, and how to build a peaceful future. All through stories, all with visual metaphors, all without the fluff. We don't promise magic shortcuts. Here, you'll learn at your own pace with real tools you can use today. If you're ready to take control of your finances without the boredom, hit subscribe. Join our bear community. Comment what money topic confuses you most, and let's start growing your forest one step at a time. See you inside.
And see you next time in the forest.